I'm gonna try the couch on the ride down.
Fit sideways.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, we should definitely make a boat video. You excited, Jabe?
Yeah, bro.
What? All right, Jacob. Unreal, dude. This is so cool. Dude, there's planks that go up the tree there. Taking the term hanging out quite literally. Should I come up with you? That looks like fun. I might go with him, Paul.
That is a tall ladder. I don't want to step on any broken glass. Oh my gosh. I don't think I can. Now I wish I had the GoPro. We're up here. This thing is huge. Yeah. No. Holy cow, dude. Holy cow. Holy cow. Dude, we can go up there. Which staircase do we go up?
Why are there so many?
There's catwalks. Here's the hinges, dude. Their car's going right underneath me.
This one, dude, this one. Come on. Let's do it.
Here's the hinges for the... We're up here.
Holy cow. That's insane.
You can feel the whole frame of the bridge vibrating.
This is insane. Holy cow.
Dude, this is it.
You gonna go?
I'm going out on that, yeah.
Here, videotape me. Holy cow. There's the boat.
Dude. You can see all the shins.
Alright, I'm ready to go back.
I can get across. I'll have you know, this is the scariest thing I think I've ever done. The middle's the scariest. This one doesn't go anywhere. But I know what it's for. It's for tightening these bolts here.
What even? What kind of psychopaths are
The cool kind. No, don't sit at the center of the bridge. Maybe we should sit at the center of the bridge.
Yeah,
okay,
let's keep going.
There's no railings in this one. No, there are. Oh, it's all springy. Okay, one more. Oh, there's a whole nother one in there. Pretty good. The side of the bridge is definitely the most scary. You can definitely just
gap here where you just die if you fall.
We're dropping on the side of it now. Like, no, this is down here.
Holy cow.
Hey, no sign.
Hey, Jacob, is climbing on the bridge one of the forbidden activities on there?
No, this just says who all supervises all the work.
So it doesn't say forbidden activities
Nope.
include climbing on bridge? Excellent. So we're good then. We're good to go.
Easy good.
Yeah, I love this little thing. This is... Go to the far side of that. Give us as much space as possible. Yeah! It looks so red.
Welcome to Louisiana, man. Holy cow.
It's fake.
Oh.
I'm getting some pictures now.
Oops, almost followed my dad.
Dude, come stand by this post.
I gotta go back this way. Yeah, from here the 3X. Yeah.
Yeah, what do you think, Jacob?
Just think of the skydiving, dude.
Well, there's a band over there.